And so when there's grating in the voice, that means there's tension in the voice, less resonance. Once she did the tongue exercise, that disappeared, and suddenly there was volume and resonance. So I was happy to see that move that quickly, because the difference between somebody who speaks with a grate and like this, a bit like that, and tries to get the voice down because they think that's more powerful to be down, it just gets really messy really quickly. But as soon as we open it up, we're in the realm of, oh, I can listen to you now, I can receive you. That's where I want to go. To speak a bit to this high and low thing, um, there is an interesting, when we're excited, our voices are activated, we go high. With women, it can go into a hysterical high. Oh my God, what and we can go into these into these intense patterns. They're usually intense and shrill, not because our voices are free, but because we also don't dare to really express freely and loudly because we've been hushed from an early time.